My name is Mike Godfrey. Our shop location is at 1795 Victoria Street in Prince George, BC. We're conveniently located in that you're within walking distance of a number of different businesses that a customer can take advantage of while we're working on their vehicles. We're a full service shop, bumper to bumper. We're doing air conditioning, we're doing oil changes, we're doing transmission flushes, coolant flushes, engine services. Pretty much anything that you can think of, between the front and the rear bumper, we're here to take care of you. Before we even charge them $1, they're going to know what the repair is. So we can get your car up on a hoist. We're going to spend 20 minutes, a half an hour doing a free inspection so that we know exactly what the repair is. And if we find that small repairs or maybe no repair is needed, a bolt was loose or something, we're just going to take care of you and send you on your way. We're not out to nickel and dime our customers. It's a small town. We want to take care of them. Just really looking forward to meeting and working with the people in Prince George and building relationships that are going to last a long time.